to draw! Hello everyone, it's Ellie. Today I am drawing a lighthouse. Let's draw and color it together. First, we will draw the upper part of it. Let's draw the face. I really like making drawings. Let's draw the eyes. Let's draw the mouth. Now I am drawing the middle part of it. Now I am drawing the lower part of it. Now I am drawing the mouth. Drawing a lighthouse is so much fun! Sketch of the lighthouse is now completed. Now I am coloring the lighthouse. First, we will color its upper part pink. I love coloring the drawings. I love coloring the drawings. Let's color the windows gray. Coloring the lighthouse is so much fun. Wow, it looks so amazing! See you on the next video!